Hello students, today we will revise 4 questions from part B of your question paper for class 12th English core. So your question number 1 of part B is, you are secretary of Good Luck Flats Welfare Association, Mangalore, Karnataka. Write a notice in not more than 50 words to be circulated to the members of the association, requesting them to attend a meeting to discuss the parking of vehicles of the residents. This question is of 3 marks, or you have an option here. You are Mohan or Mohini, General Manager of PK Industries, Hyderabad. You need an accountant for your company. Draft an advertisement to be published in the Hindu classified column. So you have to do one of these two. And your question number 2 is, you have received an invitation to be the judge for a literacy competition in St. Anne's School. Send a reply in not more than 50 words confirming your acceptance. You are Madhav or Madhvi Taneja, and this question is of 3 marks. Or you have the option here, Suman or Suresh has cleared the pre-medical pre-dental entrance examination. The family is elated at the achievement and they decide to have a get together of all friends. Draft an informal invitation for the get together. And now we will move to question number 3. You have noticed many stray animals on the road during the busy hours of the day. These animals cause traffic jams as well as accidents. You have already written to the concerned authorities, but no action has been taken so far. Write a letter to the editor, The Hindu, drawing attention of the Municipal Commissioner, Chennai. You are Shanta or Suresh and your address is 12 MG Road, Chennai. You have to write this in 120 to 150 words. Or you have an option here, you are Anand or Aarti of 14 Model Town, Delhi. You have seen an advertisement in the Times of India for the post of chief chef in a 5-star hotel. Apply for the job with complete biodata. Write in 120 to 150 words. And this question contains 5 marks. And question number 4 is, write an article in 120 to 150 words on how we can make India a carefree and enjoyable place for women when they can go wherever they like to without any fear or being stared at or molested or discriminated against. You are Navtej / Navita. So this question is of 5 marks. Or you have an option here. Rishikesh is popular in India for its river rafting. A well-known rafting guide gets drowned in the river after saving 4 Delhi tourists. Write a report to be published in a local daily covering this rafting mishap in 120 to 150 words. Thank you.